Hey guys, welcome to Monkey Doodle. Today we're going to do a silly character on Quick Draw called Silly Guy. Let's go. I'm going to start with two eyes over here, one big oval here, and another connecting one here, more like a circle. So they're weird shapes. We're going to make a bigger, darker circle inside this one and a smaller one inside this one. That'll help keep it goofy. Now we're going to come out from here and do a nose, like a big curve. From here we're going to shoot down and do a lip. We're going to go up with a long curve here, short curve there. We're going to go down, out, back down. We're going to go big chin curve. So our friend is taking shape quickly. Go down with two lines for a neck. Going to go up a little bit from here, an ear. Little curve like a C there. We're going to go up from here and do a bunch of long straight lines, curvy lines, sort of for hair. Watch. And then you could add a whole bunch more lines if you want, going in and out just like this for Silly Guy. There he is. He put a short line there for his forehead. Eyebrow, eyebrow, and a couple of funky teeth to make this guy super wacky. Maybe one silly tooth there. And we're going to give him a little oval here around the neck for his collar. Shoulders, two short lines there for his arms, and maybe a little smile thing there. All right, get ready to hyperspace color. Silly Guy is on the way. Let's go.